today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your uh, on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you click here on settings, you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on trading here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to checking program AD here, or ADA.TRX or SOL or CL here. Can you click in this sign or this color? Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now here. Like you see, that's mean sticking program disabled with us. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.